Great traders don't win with analysis. They win by surviving. Most traders think they lose because they're not good at analysis. They think it's about indicators or some secret strategy. But after 13 years trading forex, stocks, and crypto, I can tell you the truth. The best traders don't win because they predict better. They win because they survive longer. The hard truth. Over the past decade, I've seen thousands of traders come and go, smart ones, talented ones, even lucky ones. Most of them blow up. Not because they didn't know technical analysis, but because they didn't know how to protect themselves. Trading isn't a game of prediction. It's a game of survival. It's not about being right 70% of the time. It's about staying in the game when you're wrong 7 times in a row. If you don't have capital, you don't have a chance. Let me tell you about my first major loss. I'd been trading for about 2 years. I thought I finally got it. I had a few big wins, got overconfident, over-leveraged. And then came one trade, just one, that wiped out everything. I didn't lose because the setup was bad. I lost because I didn't have a risk framework, because I couldn't walk away when I was wrong. That day I learned something. Survival is more important than conviction. Good traders don't wake up thinking, "How can I make the most today?" They wake up thinking, "How can I lose the least today?" That's the shift from making money to staying in the game. The market is ruthless. It doesn't care how good your setup looks. You're not fighting the market. You're fighting yourself, your ego, your emotions, your need to win. The best traders I know, they're calm, boring, almost robotic. Because emotion is expensive. So what does survival actually look like? Let me break it down. Fixed risk per trade. Never risk more than 1 to 2%. Stop trading when emotional. No revenge trades. No FOMO. Never double down to recover losses. Always trade with cash you can afford to lose. Have a routine. Markets open. Setups scanned. Checklist followed. Survival means trading like a machine, even when you feel like a mess inside. It means taking small losses without blinking, and small wins without celebrating. After 13 years, I can tell you what really kept me going. Not a perfect strategy, not calling the top or bottom, not winning every day. It was discipline. Boring, unsexy, repetitive discipline. I've had months where I made almost nothing. But I didn't force trades. I didn't chase. And the month after, one setup paid for everything. Most traders don't lose because they're bad. They lose because they can't wait. If you're losing trades right now, it's okay. I've been there many times, but here's what I've learned. You don't need to be right. You don't need to trade every day. You don't even need to understand every move. You just need to protect yourself long enough until the market gives you the chance to win. So if you're serious about trading, forget being a genius. Be a survivor. Build a plan that protects you. Stick to it even when it's boring. And remember, the trader who survives the longest usually wins in the end. I'm Leo, and this is what 13 years of trading has taught me. If this helped you, consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.